just doing a short video on what happens when you're not getting any airflow out through your outlet or even a whole zone of your ducted system. We get a lot of service requests from customers who come to us saying, look, I don't have any air, I have little air coming out of my outlet, what can you do? It's a really simple fix most of the time, and something I want to show you, because you should be able to fix this yourself if you're pretty handy with tools. If you don't mind crawling around in your roof space, it's quite easy. So the first issue I just want to go through is if you feel that you have no air coming out of the whole zone. So on your ducted system, you may have 2, 3, 4 different zones in your house where you can switch the air on and off. Now, sometimes what happens is that this is the zone motor that's in the roof and it connects to the ducts. The duct goes off into your different rooms. Okay, so what happens sometimes is that the motor seizes up, it just stops. And the blade inside, as you can see, there's a blade. Instead of being in the open position, when you try to open it, it stays shut. So that will cause no air, obviously, to go out to the rest of to that zone. So if that's the case, you can give us a call, or you can buy on our online shop the green motor, and it's really easy to replace. There's just a couple of screws on top. I'll actually show you now. So you can see how it's done. So this just comes off. And comes out just like that. And then the new one goes in the place. As for the cable, it's just plug and play. So it's just an RJ12 connection, which you just unclip. And then when you put the new one in, just clip it back in. But when you're reinstalling this, you just got to make sure that you've got it in the right position. But you should be able to work that out because it will be in the right position on the actual when you connect it into the blade. So I'll just quickly put these screws back in. I'll just put this down here for now. So that's the zone motor. Okay, so the other issue you may have is that one of your outlets or one or two of your outlets, you may feel that there's just not enough air coming through, or there's no air coming through at all. So this is another fairly easy fix that we can do. The first one is you duct. If you feel you get up into the roof, or even if you just on a really hot day, you jump up through the manhole and you feel a lot of cool air and you've got the aircon running. One of your ducts may have just come completely off. So you might find that the duct has, so this is your zone motor, and it's usually after the zone motor has come off completely. So that's quite a simple fix. All you need to do is grab some duct tape, which we've got here, and you can get duct tape from any hardware store. Here in Australia, we can get it from Bunnings. In America, you might have your Home Depot, or anywhere else in the world. Any hardware store will have it. So we just want to pull this back, and I'll quickly show you how easy it is to redo. Now this is actually the wrong size, but I'll show you with the joiner anyway. So that's one fix if you find that your duct has come off or completely. The next issue you might have is you might find that one of your ducts just like that. So if you get up in your roof and you go around, crawl around your roof space, and one of your ducts has ripped just like this, could be through rats eating into it, here in Australia, possums, or just other tradesmen jumping and crawling over our ducts. I'll show you very easily how to fix this. So once you have located the break in the duct, what we want to do is pull this and cut it clean. Okay, so for this I usually use just a flathead screwdriver. As you saw before, I stabbed it to open it, so that's how you usually get the break to open up. So then the next tool you need is just a pair of side cutters or a pair of pliers. And in the middle there's a rib section which has got a bit of wiring through it. All you have to do is just cut that, and then the rest of the stuff you just pull apart, and then the outer casing you just grab it like that and you cut that as well. Okay, so now we've got a clean cut there. They're both totally disconnected. The next thing you want to do is you want to pull the outer sections of the duct so you can get the inner core with a good section of just like that. We pull the outer core all the way back. Okay, so then to fix the break, we need to get a joiner. You can get these joiners through any of your HVAC or air conditioning suppliers. We sell these on our online shop, or if you're local to us in the Sutherland Shire, you can actually come and buy it directly and pick them up from our office. But it's really simple to do. So all you do is on this one there's a rib section, so it shows you how far you can pull it across. So you just line it up so the duct goes over the top of the joiner. Then we get our duct tape. I'm just pulling it back now. And we're going to do a few tapes around that joiner. Now I usually do about 3 or 4 tapes just to make sure. You want to make sure that the duct is going to, and the tape's going to hold on to this joiner and not pull off. So I'm just going to do this quickly, just so it doesn't take too long. So yeah, look, so that's the first section that you do. Now then, with the outer casing, we then pull that over, and you want to get a good little section, so you're going to get a good tape over the outer casing, and it tapes onto the joiner. You also want to make sure that the insulation inside is fully pulled up. So then again, we just grab our duct tape and we make sure that we get all of the outer casing and you tape over it. There's no gaps or anything in the outer casing there. And that's it. So it's pretty simple. I believe anyone can pretty much do that. And with, just a pair of pliers, a screwdriver and some duct tape and the joiner, it's pretty simple. And then all you have to do is then join the other bit of duct, but I've shown you how to do that now. So I won't go into that. But anyway, look, thanks for watching this video. We've got more videos coming up on how to maintain and repair your air conditioning systems and new products that are coming out onto the market all the time. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. That helps other people find us on YouTube. Thank you.